Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Laurie Gombos from Outback Motortek. I'm stoked to introduce our Honda CB500X accessories. First and foremost, I'm going to start with the crash bars skid plate protection combo. Crash bars, it is fully frame mounted. As far as we're concerned, a crash bar is mounted on frame tabs, and it consists of a set of upper and a set of lower crash bars. This is a combo because the two will not work without each other. The upper crash bars tie into the lower crash bars, and the lower crash bars need the support from the upper crash bars. So it's a complete system, it's a complete combo, and that's the way it's going to be sold only. We built the crash bars out of 25 millimeter diameter steel tubing. It is sandblasted and powder coated, so the actual coating is pretty tough. The mounting tabs are 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter thick steel brackets. There is plenty of clearance between the plastic fairing on both sides. We know that a lot of people like to put crash bars bags or some sort of bags that fit crash bars on their crash bars. So we created this tubing here that they kind of run parallel with each other, so you can put small bags here. We already fitted the OS 6 from Kriega, and they fit just fine. The other protection part is the skid plate. The skid plate is 100% crash bars mounted. We wanted to avoid mounting the skid plate onto the engine block or the oil pan because it's just a highly risky business. That'd be a very risky move, and that also means cutting corners, something we didn't want to. Okay, so the skid plate is made out of aluminum. It's 4 millimeters thick. We also added plenty of slots and holes for ventilation. The brackets that connect the skid plate with the crash bars are made out of steel bracket, 4 millimeter thick, and connected via 8 millimeter diameter bolts. We also wanted to achieve a fairly high front end to offer protection for the exposed exhaust header. So now it comes up pretty much to the bend. We think it's high enough. It's pretty high. So this is pretty much the protection combo we're gonna offer for the CB500X. We believe that it's super solid, just as other Outback Motortek crash bars and skid plates. The other parts, we have a set of pannier racks. This is the X-frame version, which means they're corner welded tabs. This is for various reasons. It works super well with Kriega. OS 22 and 32 bags, as well as Wolfman, Turkana. We actually have a list on our website. So this is the X-frame version. We also have the standard version, which currently, maybe in the future that will change, currently does not feature these corner welded tabs, as well as the Rotopax / toolbox brackets are excluded. However, you can purchase this separately. You need one or you need a pair. You can choose both options. Also, compulsory exhaust heat shield. This is to protect various soft luggage, panniers. We tested it with Kriega and Moscow and Enduristan bags, And this comes really handy because if the bag sits low or you have heavy items on the bottom, it can sag too much and it can come in contact with the exhaust muffler. And this shield is designed to offer protection. Okay, we also have the rear luggage rack combo. Okay, this is the passenger grab handle and a rear rack. You can have this item separately from the pannier racks, so you can just have the passenger grab handle and the tail rack if that's what you desire, or you can have it as a combo. Okay, for those who travel quite a bit and they want to carry luggage, this is obviously the best configuration, the whole combo. The rear rack is made of aluminum. The Rotapacks / toolbox brackets are also made of aluminum. The rest is steel tubing. This is the asymmetrical version, which means the non-exhaust side is closer to the center of the bike versus the one where the exhaust is, the exhaust muffler. And I think for now we're going to stick to this version only, and then later on we're going to reconsider a full symmetrical version, but for now asymmetrical only. Thank you very much for watching our CB500X accessories intro video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, leave us a comment, or you can write us an email, info@outbackmotortek.com. You can also call 877-931-3636.